Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicolene and today I have a brand new video for you guys. Today I'm going to do a full face of makeup using makeup my Instagram followers choose. So I ran a poll yesterday on my Instagram and I let my followers on Instagram choose which makeup they would like me to use. So for today's video, I'm going to do a full face of makeup using makeup that won the poll where my Instagram follower voted on. So I applied my primer and I did my eyebrows off camera, and the products that win was the Becca Poreless Primer against the e.l.f. Primer. Thank God Becca Primer won because I would not be using that e.l.f. one. So the eyebrow pencil that won was the ColourPop pencil in the shade black and brown, and this is my favorite eyebrow pencil, so I'm super happy that this won. So that pencil went against this NYX Professional Makeup Precision Brow Pencil. I bought this because I ran out of the ColourPop one and I couldn't get it in time, so I went and bought this, and this is trash. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the next stage of my makeup, and we're gonna see which product won that poll. And I am going to apply my, let's see, gotta pull up my Instagram. Gotta be ready for this. So the Lancome foundation won, and it went against the Revlon Insta Filter foundation. And if this would win, I would just cancel this video. I would just like this wouldn't have been a video, but the Lancome won, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Lancome to my face. And I'm just too lazy to get up. The bathroom's like right behind me, but I'm too lazy to get up and grab my beauty blender. So we're just gonna go ahead and use our Morphe brush instead. I absolutely love the way this foundation blends out on your skin. It dries down really, I won't say matte, but it dries down really powdery. I don't want to say powdery, but it dries down to like skin finish, and the coverage is really good. But today I kind of want a little bit more coverage. I am dealing with a lot of dark spots, so we want coverage today. But yeah, this is a really nice foundation, and I love it. So I'm super happy this foundation won. So I put the worst foundation against the best foundation, and I'm super happy the best foundation won because, like I said, if that Revlon foundation would have won, this video would have been canceled, and yeah. Okay, so we're done with our foundation. So the concealer that won this poll was the Tarte concealer. So this is my Tarte Shape Concealer. It's in the shade Deep. Yeah, so I wouldn't mind. I had this against the ColourPop foundation, the No Filter foundation by ColourPop. I wouldn't have mind if the ColourPop foundation won. The ColourPop concealer one. Like, both are really good. So, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, where I normally put my concealer, which is under the eyes. The bridge of my nose. Who's trying to contact me? Alta. So I'm super lazy to go wet my beauty blender, like I said. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Morphe M439 brush and blend out this concealer. Whatever happens, happens. But we're going to go ahead and blend this out. You see, that blended out really well. That wasn't a problem. When you're lazy, you can use a brush. Doesn't matter. This is not a makeup tutorial, so we don't need to be technical right here, using the right tool for the right things. But so far, this brush is blending out my concealer really well. So one of my poll, I wanted to ask them if I should use tools to blend out my makeup, or if I should just use my hand to do my entire face of makeup. And I don't think I would have been okay using my hand for my entire face of makeup. That would have been tragic. Would have been bad. Bad combination right there. You know what I should have done? I should have had my powder ready to set my face before I blended on my under eye, but I don't have that ready. But you know what? I could do my makeup with one hand. So the powder that I am going to set my concealer with is the Sacha Buttercup. I have not used this in a while since I got my RMC-A powder, and this one by far. So the Sacha Buttercup powder is what we are going to use to set under our eyes. But you know what? That's okay because this is really good powder, and I'm going to get it ready. Okay, so let's go ahead and blend out the other eye. If you guys hear any banging, walking, stomping, drilling, it's okay. Whew. Okay, so I know I found a little bit too much powder under the eyes, but we are going to do a little baking while we go into the eyeshadow. Yeah, the eyeshadow, we're going to take a break from our face first. So the eyeshadow that won, if my phone will unlock. So the eyeshadow I had was the Dream Street palette with ColourPop. And also I had the Juvia's Place palettes against that one. And everyone chose the Juvia's Place palette. So I decided which one should I use. Should I use the Nubian 2 palette or the Masquerade palette? And everyone chose that I do use the Nubian 2 palette, but that's okay because all Juvia's Place palettes are really good. And yeah, so I have this palette and we're gonna create a look with it. I know I like this palette because it has this one blue color here called Cleopatra, and I really want to use that blue. So I think we're gonna do a simple look, not too much, just something really simple. So I need to get some brushes. So I'm going to go straight out into the eyes. I'm not going to set it with concealer or anything. I'm just going to go straight right into it. I'm going to use the shade Madagascar, and I'm going to use that as a transition shade. I'm going to try to keep this makeup as simple as possible as I can. But yeah. So right now I'm adding Kenya to the outer part of my eye. So like this V-shaped part, blending it a little bit into the crease. Let's see, Kenya looking a little purpley. I thought it was a nice brown color, but Kenya is looking a little on the purple side of a brown, but that's okay. I cannot use this brush, it's killing me. Let's go again with Kenya. Okay, there we go. Much better. I have more control over this brush than the other brush. I don't know what's up with that brush. So basically I'm using Kenya and smoke out the outer portion of my eyes just a little bit. Since we're using the shade Cleopatra, I kind of want a more of a smoky look to go with that blue. I didn't say that, so I'm going to go ahead and use some of that transition shade I did before and just blend out a little bit up here so that doesn't look so harsh. It looks like everything blends together. I'm going to go ahead and use my finger and try to pack some of that shadow on. In the middle, I'm going to try to bring it up just a little bit in the middle. So with my hooded lid, you can see it when I close my eyes. How cute does that look? Look at this, really, guys. Like, this looks really cute. Super happy this palette won. And I'm able to use this blue in the palette because it's such an amazing color. This looks really cute, like really cute. So the next thing I asked my Instagram follower to vote on was contouring. Should I contour? Should I not contour? Should I use cream contour? Should I use powder contour? And they choose that I should do both cream and powder, which is okay with me. I don't mind doing cream and powder contouring. Oh, I have to sneeze. Oh, that was bad. Okay, guys, so the cream contour that I'm going to use is this contour here by Smashbox, and also this contouring palette. Okay, this contour palette by Black Radiance. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my cream contour, blend it out, and then use my powder contour to set that. Then I'm going to use this brush here by Real Technique, and I'm going to go ahead and blend out this cream contour. And I'm going to start with this part of my face first, where I contour my... And I like to go in circular motion so it doesn't look like a line right there. A line of demarcation. We don't want that. Let's see if we can go ahead in our hairline right now. Hopefully I don't mess up my edges. And like I said, when I blend out my cream contour, I like to go in pattern motion and circular motion. So it doesn't look like we have lines of darkness and demarcation. We don't want that. We're going to blend out our double chin right now. We also don't want that. Okay, so everything looked like it blended out really well. So I'm going to go in with my palette from Black Radiance. I'm going to use this contouring shade right here. And I'm going to use that to set our cream contour. Just a little bit. So now we're going to move on into, what are we going to do? We're going to go ahead and use, I'm so lost, okay. Oh yeah, I know what's next. So next we're going to go ahead and set the rest of our face, and the setting powder that I want is this right here. This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder that I want. I put this against a powder foundation. Thank God that didn't win. And this is the Bare Mineral Pro. This one over this. So we're going to go ahead and set our face with our Maybelline Fit Me powder in dark 40. Just going to do a little bit of setting, not too much. We don't need that much powder, so we can go dust this off on our face just a little bit. Okay, we're done. So before we move on to anything else, I want to go ahead and set my face with some setting spray. I had the Urban Decay setting spray go against my Makeup Revolution what's this, Pro Fix setting spray. My Urban Decay one won, so I'm going to go ahead and use my Urban Decay setting spray to set my face before we move on to anything else. Whew. I taste that. So I went ahead and asked my Instagram followers if I should use any liquid eyeliner, and they said yes. They choose the NYX liquid eyeliner against the eyeliner from Maybelline. I need concentration, I need silence, I need everyone to be quiet. I need everyone to say a silent prayer for me that this does not become a disaster and ruin my whole makeup look. But yeah. Let's go ahead. Hopefully this is not expired or anything. Okay guys, so I've successfully applied liquid eyeliner in both eyes. They have a little bit wink to them, and they look pretty even to me. Okay guys, so on to the next thing that scares me is applying eyelashes. I asked if I should use eyelashes or no eyelashes, and everyone said I should apply eyelashes. And yeah, if you guys know me, I don't apply and I don't use eyelashes because I suck at it. It's really hard and difficult for me to do it. So we are going to go ahead and try our best and apply some eyelashes. The only eyelashes I had with me right now are these eyelashes from Ardell. I don't even know why I even have these, but I have them. I haven't used them, and this is the duplex pack, and these are the 110 lashes. I don't know if these eyelashes suits my face, but yeah, we're gonna go for it. We're gonna go ahead and apply them. That's the best a girl lash can get. So we're gonna go ahead and apply our highlighter. So I asked my followers on Instagram if I should use powder highlighter or if I should use liquid highlighter. Liquid highlighter 1 and also the Wet n Wild highlighter 1. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and mix both of these highlighters together, these glow drops. So I bought these from Ulta a while ago, but I haven't used it, and I'm gonna mix them together, see how they look, and apply them. And then I'm probably gonna set a little bit of this Wet n Wild highlighter on top and see how that goes. So I'm gonna give them a little shake, 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 and I'm gonna use both of them together. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out with my finger instead of a brush. Let's see, this looks really good, to be honest. It looks like I just got out of the pool or the ocean, and I am glowing. Okay guys, so we move on to the lips. So the options my Instagram followers had was to use lippy sticks. So I was going to use the Ellery lipstick with the lip liner, or to use a liquid lipstick, and everyone choose that I use a liquid lipstick. So this is the shade Anyway by the ColourPop collection with Ellery. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. But before we do that, we're going to moisturize our lips a little bit because this is really dry. Alright. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the full face of makeup that my Instagram followers choose for me to use, and I'm super happy how this makeup look turned out. So yeah, so I want to say thank you guys to my Instagram followers for helping me out with this video and voting. And yeah, so I want to say thank you guys for even watching this video. So if you guys are not subscribed to this channel, subscribe. If you guys enjoyed this video, click that thumbs up button. And yeah, so let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more videos like this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.